Welcome to Dallas Stock Talk. In this particular video, I'll be going over Rally. Rally is a platform that allows you to invest in collectibles, and not only invest in collectibles, but it also gives you the opportunity to buy and sell these collectibles during the trading window. But before we get started, make sure you smash the like button because it helps the YouTube algorithm. It helps you to know that it's quality content, help my videos reach a broader audience. And also, if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and by the way, also hit that notification bell so you know when I make new videos. So like I said, this platform allows you to buy collectibles. Now, how does it work? Let's click how it works. So it's pretty much 4 steps. So Rally end up acquiring these collectibles. Then step number 2, they almost treat it like a company, and they issue a small portion of ownership with these particular collectibles in the form of a share. So you own a small portion of the collectible, whatever it is, if it's a watch, a car, blah, blah, blah. So after the third step, after they received all the funding from the initial offering for 90 days, it's pretty much locked, meaning you can't buy or sell. After the 90 days, they open a trading window that, according to the site, is open once a month. And then you'll be allowed to buy and sell your small share in this particular collectible. I thought it was pretty cool. So if you want to go to get started, all you have to do is end up signing up. So I already signed up. So once you end up signing in, you'll see something like this. And as you can see, they have memorabilia, comics and literature, cars, watches, luxury, wine plus whiskey, and all that kind of stuff. Now I'm just going to go over it. Me personally, I probably would just stick with memorabilia, comics and literature, and maybe wine and whiskey. Cars and watches, don't really know too much about that. But this is the ones I probably think is more cool, or I'll be more interested in, is memorabilia, comics and literatures. As you can end up seeing, you have some with early access, which means you have an earlier chance to end up investing in it. And as you can see, they have different ones. Now, I will go over the coming soon one, early access, and also offering. So if you look at Dr. J, they have his jersey, 62% funded. So 60% funding means you are allowed to invest right now. If you wanted to invest, you can just hit buy shares. They have the share, each share is $4.50. So if you wanted the share, as you can also see, they give you the legal information if you want to check that out. Also give you photographs of the particular the item that you will end up buying the share for. They give you the details. To me, this is what I consider the most important one: the price, the number of shares issued, and the market cap, how much all the money is together for this particular asset. Also, they have the opinion that you can I guess talk about or something like that. So if we wanted to invest, we would just hit buy share, wait for this, and it shows you the number of shares. For just this video, I'm just going to do one. Next, show your information and stuff. You do have to sign on your account. Attach your account. I already attached it. And by the way, I did have some problems connecting my account, but after I guess a few times I tried it, sometimes I reached out to him and I was able to get it. So that part was probably one of the negative things. I did have little problems setting up all that stuff. So after that, you end up scrolling down, hit the check, agree, I agree, boom, few seconds, and boom, it says congrats. They'll let me know in the email. And as you can see, if I go to my portfolio, right now, they'll process it during the next trading window. If the trading window says not yet scheduled, I also bought 2 earlier, just recently today, just to kind of test it out. So like I said, I thought that was pretty cool. Also, I wanted to show the ones that's coming soon. These haven't came yet. This one actually looks pretty interesting, but you can hit notify when active when they'll actually announce the initial offering. So like that. Also, you can have the ones that's already traded, like these, that pretty much already traded on their own exchange. As you can see, The assets since the last close is down 3.39%. Last trading window. I do have somewhat a concern right there, because if we look at the trading window, it's saying that the trading window is 1 day per month from 9:30 to 4. Maybe for some particular items it's different, but this last trading window was 3/25/2021, so it seems like there'd be a little discrepancy. So for the trading windows, it probably could, instead of maybe once a month, for some items it probably can take a little longer. I'll reach out to them, and like I said, I'll do multiple videos so you can track my journey on how this particular website goes. But as you can see, for the initial offering, it's in January, so the 3 months, after 3 months it was already 90 days, so February, March, April. So it seems like there should have been another trading window for you to do that, but they didn't do that. So we'll end up seeing how that goes. Also, like I said, I thought this was pretty cool. You have ability to buy share in the Declaration of Independence. I thought that was cool. That's early access. So I'll just hit buy. Okay. I'm only going to buy one of those. Also for the video, so you guys can, like I said, scroll down, all the way down, hit agree, and boom. Just takes a few seconds, and there it is. Congrats. So they asked me, do I want to add more? I want to say no. And then when I go to my portfolio, I'll just have to wait to the next trading window. So like I said, I thought that was pretty cool. Like I said, let's just go over. They have different wines, watches, cars, comics, collectibles. Thought that was pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. Also, they have the contact number. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'll keep you guys informed. I'll let you guys, so you guys can see my journey for this particular platform, Rally. If you have any questions, make sure you drop in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, if you'd like me to do any videos pertaining to finance and investing, drop in the comments. Catch you guys later.